Morning guys, I just arrived in Jaisalmer. So now we're in the market, local market. Look a bit hot. So I had around 6 hours journey, yeah, by train. So now happily I arrived in Jaisalmer. Here is hot, my friend. Proper weather, proper Indian weather.
Indian weather.
It's good Indian weather. Hot.
Where are you from?
Romania.
Romania. You speak what?
I'm sorry?
Speaking what?
What I speak?
Yeah.
Romanian.
Or
Salut, ce faci? Means hello, how are you?
some different language like Italian, Spanish.
Latin language, yes.
When you arrived?
Today, few hours ago.
Hot and everything.
I will have a look. Hello, my friend. Oh, you as well. So yeah, everyone friendly here. Hello, my friend. Loads of fruits they have. How you doing?
Hi there.
Let me go this side. Weather is beautiful weather. Looks like the clock tower market in Jodhpur. But it's not, it's different. Garlic, everywhere they're selling garlic and onions. In the market. Oh yes, my friends. Until now this city looks better than all of them. Looks nice city, a good city. It's cleaner, the cleanest city I think until now. And they got a fort over here, big fort. So later on we're gonna go over there to see what's happening. Oh, and by the way, it's cheap. Way too cheap. So I paid, how much I paid for a night here? 800 rupees, that's around 8-9 euros. So it's around 8-9 euros, which in Agra, the worst city ever, I paid 700 rupees for one beer. So think of it. Local market. Look, they're selling. Nice one. Hello. Hello, my friend. Honest? Oh, the smells so nice. There's some food stand over here. Honest, I'm looking for an ATM as I ran out of cash. So on the way to ATM, I found this market. So Google Maps showed me straight on, turn left somewhere. 1 minute away, close to my hotel was an ATM, but got no cash. run out of order. Oh, look at it.
Hello.
What is it? Hello, my friend. Namaste, sir. He's cutting it in half. Ah, over here I need to watch. Okay. That's nice. You make them manual? Thank you. So all this stuff, all this metal work is manual. Oh, look what. Hello, sir. Look this. How cool is that? The Iron Masters. Look even them. Hello. Can I see? Oh, fire. Okay. Thank you. Oh boy. So still need to look for that. How cute is this? Hey. Hello. So I will need to look for that ATM, yeah? But look at the houses, how they look. The architecture is crazily. Let me show you guys around a bit more. Here you see goats everywhere. Not like in different cities where you see loads of cows. Here you see goats. Look. Whoop. So we hit a roundabout over here in front. Hello, sir. Mister. Honest, I don't know where we're about to go. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Now I'm passing these streets like I'm local. I'm a professional now. Oh, Corporation Bank, I see a bank. So let me go over here. You know what, I will cash out money, find a place where to eat. I'll see you in a few minutes, yeah? Back in business. So I cash out. Oh, it's crazy here. I cash out some money, so now I'm just wandering around, walking around this city. Let's see how this city looks like. Same market everywhere, everywhere market. Hey, my friend. So everywhere they got markets. Mister, how are you, sir? What is this? Look at it, how this. I got balls. These are the stuff, no? Look at it, small one.
Where are you from?
From Romania.
Romania.
Oh, look at it.
It's camel bones bag.
The camels.
Yeah.
Okay.
It looks like Indian, huh?
Myself. Me, Indian. Ah, I'm not Indian.
Yeah. Looks like that.
Yeah, I know. Everyone told me because I'm Indian.
You have the proto mouth face. It looks really like Indian man.
Yeah. I got nothing about Indians. Mom, dad, grandfather, grand, nothing. Romanians, everyone Romanian.
Yeah.
Same one.
Like jewelry?
No, I don't wear jewelry. Look.
Why? You
Oh, I'm poor. I'm poor. I'm not rich to wear jewelry.
Your heart is so big, sir.
I got big heart here because I'm big guy.
Not comparing the money.
Have a good day, sir. So let's walk up here. Let me check up in my Google Maps to see if I'm on the right way. Yeah. Everyone got his own business. So for example, they're living on top, and here on ground zero they're having their own business. Okay, I think I need to go straight on. We're gonna turn left. You're right there. Hey man, what's up? You good? Boss, Mafia. Let me go this side. Let's walk this side. Oh, these scooter guys are driving me crazy. Oh. It's a market, like I think all cities are a big market. Okay there. Look, even over here, straight. Hello, my friend. How are you? Good, good. Nice to see you. Hello, guys. Oh. Oh, here in India, now everyone is crazy with this coronavirus. Once I got up from the cash point. I had a chat with one guy. He had a good English, and he told me something about once I'm gonna go back, I'm gonna be in quarantine and all this stuff. I said, who cares about coronavirus? Coronavirus is a stronger flu, my opinion. Oh look. But anyway, Corona. Let's walk more. Mafia. You guys heard him? Corona, Corona. Oh, brother. It's crazy. Oh, by the way, in 𝐒𝐒𝐏𝐏𝐑𝐓, everyone, in 𝐒𝐒𝐏𝐏𝐑𝐓, all foreigners being called Corona. Was crazy, crazy, crazy. So guys, I'm close to the fort, so see you in the next video.